Hi, it's me, Tomo from Tomo Marketing Coaching, and I got a couple questions for you. How's your mental focus? What about emotional resilience? Are you on that emotional roller coaster daily? What about raw, pure physical energy? If you answered so to any of those questions, then I got some good news for you. I just put together a new workshop called Energy Blueprint, where we're going to cover exactly that, how to gain more emotional, mental, and physical energy. It's going to be two interactive sessions where we're going to go through things like red and green states, mindfulness practice, and what is the best mindfulness practice that suits your needs. Also, obviously the holy three: sleep, nutrition, and movement. Also things like flow states. Everybody talks about that. So what are the key ingredients to access that holy state of being? If you're interested, and I hope you are, all the event info is on this page down here below. So check it out, sign up, and I'm sure that you're gonna like it. I look forward to seeing you here to gain some more mental, emotional, and physical energy. See you guys soon.